Whakamoemiti whakawhetai ki tau tātou ariki I ngā wā katoa, ko te māngai he tautoko mai ai nei a kenei ai. Maramatanga In A Minute, Day 18. Kia ora anō tātou, and this is the third installment for the Ratana and Kingitanga short series within Maramatanga In A Minute. In the first installment, we talked about Tuputanga Kawa and the role that he played as a seed planter for future engagements between the two movements. In the second installment, we saw Ratana travelling to Te Rata's Tangi, 1933 in the month of October, and during that hui, he makes some statements, which then results in the Kingitanga movement making an appearance in the month of January 1934 at Ratana Paa. So, Haunui Tawhiao, he sends a telegram to Ratana explaining to Ratana that Koroki and the Kingitanga movement intend on arriving in Ratana Paa for the 25th of January celebrations 1934. Haunui Tawhiao is also one of the key kai kōrero, and upon arrival he makes some key statements which really clearly identify the key purposes that Kingitanga had arrived for the 24th of January celebrations. And so these are the three statements that he makes. The Kingitanga movement have come to Ratana Paa, 1, for the love of the people, 2, for the laws of the land and how they affect the people, and 3, for the need for kotaitanga. Kia ora tātou.